Want to learn how to disable dark mode on WhatsApp? Dark mode is designed to reduce eye strain in low light conditions. However, if you are one of several users that are not happy with this feature, you can disable it. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable dark mode on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp. Then tap on 3 vertical dots that is on the top right corner of your screen. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Settings. On Settings page, tap on Chats. There you will see Theme option. Tap on it. Now choose Light option and tap on OK. So that is how you disable dark mode on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.